morning children. I am Sherin from GK Jain School. Today I am going to take 4th standard social science. The topic is physical features of land. Before going into the class, please do subscribe our YouTube channel GK Jain Schools, and if you like the content in this video, click the like button. Physical features of land. Our land is present on the surface of the earth. So we have to know about our planet Earth. Now we will see about our planet, that is Earth. So these are all some important points everyone should know. First one is third planet from the sun, which means in the solar system, sun is at the center, and from the sun, earth is third planet. See this picture? This is the solar system, and there are 8 planets in our solar system. Sun is the center of the solar system. So you can see that Mercury is the first planet, second one Venus, and Earth is third planet. So that's why we are saying that Earth is the third planet from the sun. Earth is also called as biosphere. Bio means life, sphere is the shape of the earth. Biosphere is the combination of land, water and air. Every living organisms require these 3 things, that is land, water and air, to survive on the surface of the earth. That's why it is called as biosphere or life sphere. As I told you, biosphere means life sphere. Our earth as the unique planet where life exists. In this picture you can able to see that all the living organisms are living on the surface of the earth. That's why it is called as life sphere. Lastly, our earth has oxygen and temperature to live, which is very important for all the living organisms to live. Have you get an idea of about our planet Earth? Now we will summarize it. That is, our planet Earth is the third planet from the sun, and it is in our solar system. Our planet Earth is the only planet where life can exist, which means all the living organisms like animals, birds, reptiles, mammals, plants and human beings are able to live only on the earth. That is why it's called as biosphere, which means life sphere. The earth shape of the earth is spherical or sphere. The example for spherical shape is ball. So these are all the things you have to know about our planet Earth. Now we are going to see about 5 elements of nature. The earth or life sphere is surrounded by 5 elements of nature. Elements are the essential things for all the living organisms. So all living organisms like animal, plants, human beings require these 5 elements of nature. These 5 elements of nature are land, water, air, fire and sky. Without these 5 elements of nature, it is very difficult for every living organisms to survive on the surface of the earth. There are 5 elements of nature. These 5 elements are very essential for human beings or all the living organisms to survive on the earth. The 5 natural elements are land, water, air, fire and sky. So these are the 5 elements which are very important for all the living beings to survive on the earth. Everyone should remember all these 5 elements of nature. In this lesson, we are going to see about land, which is one among the 5 natural elements. Now we are going to learn about the physical features of land. These physical features are the appearance. The physical features of the land are categorized into 5. They are mountain, forest, plain, seashore and dry land. Now we will see the definition for this. Now we will see about the physical features of land. So these are all the definitions of all the 5 physical features of land. Physical features of land. Physical features are the appearance. So the appearance are the physical features of the land. These physical features of the land are categorized into 5 types. First one, mountains. A mountain is a large geographical area that rises above the land with peaks. So mountains are present in the land. For example, consider this as our land. So mountains are present in our land that rises with large peaks. So this is a mountain and this part is peaks. So mountains are present on the earth with peaks. So this is the definition of mountains. Second, forest. A large area covered by trees is called forest. So in forest there will be a large number of trees. Large number of trees which are on the land are called as forest. Third one, plain, which is also called as field or agricultural land. The vast flat land on the earth is called plain. The meaning of vast, big or large. So a large flat land on earth is called as a plain. A field is an area of land used for agricultural purpose. So plain or field or agricultural land or the flat vast land which are present on the earth used for agricultural purpose, which means it will help the person, that is farmers, to prepare the soil, to sow the seeds and do agricultural harvesting. So for these agricultural purpose, a field is needed and that field is also called as plain or agricultural land. Fourth one, sea or seashore. The salty water body that covers a large part of the surface of the earth is called sea. So the large part of land which are covered by a sea, saline waters. The word saline water is called salty water. So a large part of land which are covered by salty water is called as sea or seashore. Dry land. Fifth one, dry land. A Dry region with less water or without rainfall is called dry land. So the dry land will be very dry. Why? Because it will have only less water or without water or rainfall. So the dry land will have less water or without rainfall. The sandy land that undergoes drought is also called as dry land. So the dry land will be mostly the sandy texture. Drought means it doesn't have any water content, so it becomes very dry. So that part of land, that appearance of land is called as a dry land. So we have learnt about all the 5 physical features of land. We have learnt about the physical features of land. Physical features are the appearance or the outlook of the land. So the 5 physical features of the land are mountain, forest, plain, seashore and dry land. Mountains are the large geographical area with high peaks. Second, forest, the large area which are covered by trees. So in forest there will be n number of trees. Third, plain, which is also called as field. This means a large area of land which are used for agricultural purpose. Fourth, seashore, the large area of land which are covered by salt water is seashore. Fifth, dry land. Dry land is a region or an area with less or without rainfall. So the land will be dried up. This form of land is called as dry land. So physical features of land are categorized into 5. Physical features are the appearance. When you see this 5, you can able to identify which one is mountain, which one is forest. So this means these are all the physical features of land. Landforms of Tamil Nadu. These landforms of Tamil Nadu are called as Thinais in Tamil. The 5 types of landforms in Sangam age were divided on the basis of work done by the people. So the landforms are categorized based on the work done by the people in Tamil Nadu. Out of the 5 Thinais, only 4 types were permanent. So there are 5 Thinais. Among the 5 Thinais, only 4 were permanent. The 4 permanent Thinais were Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam and Neidal. The 5th land, Palai, was formed when Kurunji and Mullai dried up. So the 5th land, that is Palai, was formed when the first 2 lands, that is Kurunji and Mullai, dries. The 5th land was formed. See, these Thinais are 5. Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, Neidal and Palai. Lastly, we have learnt about the landforms of Tamil Nadu, which are from the physical features of land. And the landforms of Tamil Nadu are divided based on the work done by the people. So these landforms of Tamil Nadu are also called as Thinai in Tamil. The landforms of Tamil Nadu or Thinais are categorized into 5. Kurunji Thinai, Mullai Thinai, Marudam Thinai, Neidal Thinai and Palai Thinai. This Palai Thinai was formed when Kurunji Thinai and Mullai Thinai was dried up. So we will learn about these 5 Thinai in our later classes. So you have to remember about the planet Earth and then 5 elements of nature and 5 physical features of land, and all should remember the 5 Thinnais of Tamil Nadu. If you like the content in this video, do like the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.